Hey there, welcome to my channel where I unlock the secrets to explosive business growth in the digital realm. Today, I've got something truly special for you, AI-powered tools that will skyrocket your business sales, engagement, and productivity. These tools are the secret weapons of the digital age, harnessing the awe-inspiring power of artificial intelligence to revolutionize your business. Prepare to be amazed as they automate tasks, optimize workflows, and generate game-changing insights. With these AI powerhouses in your corner, you'll save precious time and financial resources while unlocking a world of potential. But with an overwhelming sea of options out there, how do you choose the ultimate AI-powered tool for your needs? Fear not, for I've done the legwork and discovered 4 extraordinary tools that will leave you breathless. First up is Yatter Plus, an AI-powered social media management tool that will make your posts and stories sing. Get ready for captivating content that sets your audience ablaze. Yatter Plus generates magnetic captions, irresistible hashtags, playful emojis, eye-catching stickers, and dazzling filters for your content. Take control of your online presence with post scheduling, performance monitoring, and seamless follower interaction. Next on the lineup is Visualogy, an AI-powered innovation management software that takes brainstorming to a whole new level. Unleash your creativity, analyze markets, and craft awe-inspiring business plans with ease. Dive into a vast database of thousands of business models that will inspire you. Tap into AI-generated answers for your burning questions, and bring your data to life with stunning charts and dashboards. Prepare to revolutionize the way you innovate. Hold onto your seats for Meet Otis, an AI platform that unlocks the power of conversational agents. Picture this, chatbots that effortlessly engage your customers and employees alike. With Meet Otis, you can create chatbots that tackle customer service, sales, HR, and more. Train them with data, feedback, and rules to become invaluable members of your team. Say hello to seamless interactions and heightened efficiency. Last, but certainly not least, brace yourself for Typewise, the AI keyboard app that will forever change the way you type on your phone. Prepare for unparalleled speed and intelligence at your fingertips. Typewise eradicates those pesky typos, predicts words with uncanny accuracy, suggests emojis with flair, and even effortlessly translates languages. Customize your keyboard layout, theme, size, and sound, and let your creativity flow freely. These are just a taste of the remarkable capabilities that AI-powered tools bring to the table for growing your business online. If you hunger for more knowledge or can't resist diving in, check out the links to their websites in the description below. Did this video ignite a fire within you and flood your mind with possibilities? Show your enthusiasm with a resounding thumbs up and hit that tantalizing subscribe button to join my exclusive tribe of unstoppable entrepreneurs. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss a life-altering update from yours truly. Thank you for joining me on this mind-blowing journey. Until our paths cross again, may your dreams soar high and your business conquer new horizons. Farewell.